Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Bit of a day in the life of Dan. Just want to show you two little projects. I got a little side hustles on the go. I'm doing an end cap for an ST170, and John has come up and asked me to do his door for him as a favour to help him out. You've seen John's car on the channel before. I put a link to the previous video and clip you over there a little bit. It's first 300 brake horsepower Capri, the home built hero. But yeah, just on my way down there now. I'm out in the Escort. Nights, I just done a 10-11 hour shift after being up for a full day on the nights. Oh, this guy doesn't want to be through here. People ain't as sound as they should be already. But yeah, I'll be down John shortly. Right, we just pulled up at John's garage. So Johnny before, I think it is on YouTube, remember? I filmed his 300 brake horsepower ST170 turbo Capri. Like that, don't you? No, you probably don't. But it's going to go to an LED one. Got that because I loved one in Impreza the other day. It's easy to come off anyway. But yeah, that's my story. Let's get on with this door then. Okay, so what you'll see in this next snippet, the door where John cut the rot out, how he started, how he welded it himself, how we blocked it and sanded it and got it back to as best as we could and as straight as we could with a really bad door. We made the best of a bad situation and we've re-salvaged the door. It looks a good, solid 8 to 9 out of 10. I'm kind of impressed and proud of the work that John's put in. Still needs a little bit of blocking and a bit of guide coat, but it's ready to paint, and so is John now anyway, so this is what this car's all about. So have a look. The high build front. Yeah, John cut all that out for the door and all the way across the bottom. Section here. I think I'll have one out. Yeah, make John's spare bits now, just in case he needs more metal for his car there. But no, John done a good job of that, John. Blocked it all in now, and it's a high build primer. Do a bit of blocking over the top of there, and ready to paint. John's going to paint this himself.
That's the way now.
Whilst we're at John's, I was quickly checking out his Fiesta. Where'd you get this one, John? It was, yeah, it's in Swansea. It was literally a barn find. It's been in a garage for how many years?
21.
21 years the car was off the road. Needed nothing for MOT basically, bearings, something I was there, and Caesar brakes.
It had a tiny like 5p hole in the sill.
I remember that. We put Mark 3.5 mirrors on it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Didn't really need much anyway. It's on the road. John's travelled all around the UK in this, he loves it. So you could do a turbo diesel conversion on it. We'll set the coil over. He's got RS optional 14s. Is it 14s or 15s?
15s, yeah.
15s, very rare wheels. Not turbo wheels, I'll show them now, but yeah, it's a cool car when it's done. We'll get it on the channel. Look at them bad boys. That's John's other project. Won't go into that though. What do you reckon, John? But look of anxiety.
12 seconds later.
How this came to me versus. Yo, I said it straight, you got no skill to debate. Cause you can times 1 and 9 and you will still get 8. I'm at your throat, point 'em out and I'ma rain bombs there. Cause I'll explode at any moment like a GameStop share. They ain't expected I'll be anything, no care. Then I popped and you're the law when the Capitol got stormed. Nowhere, Vesuvius, yelling at Pompeii ash. I'm trying to buy your bodies taller than Chris Conway plaques. I broke my back for employment, used to rap for enjoyment. Put my music on the map and you'll come back to destroy it. So I point at y'all and sick, get up off my dick. Y'all ain't on my level to keep running your lips. Jump from your shit, bitch.
You just seen earlier on in the video myself painting in a base and clear of Simon's ST225 ST3 facelift Focus. It was a bumpy, been repaired, and the skirt hadn't been done. And now look at that. The performance blue looks absolutely great. It does need to be flatted back, but to be honest, we'll go on a car looking like it is now. But I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I want it to be right.
When you turn up to a car meet.
Oh, hey, thanks, man. Your bike's really cool too.
I know it is. You guys look like you're 40.
Well, we are 40.
Do you have the same bike as your boyfriend? Gay!
Oh, well, I am gay, but he's not my boyfriend, because I could do much better than him.
Tight with your bitch like a ziplock wristwatch. Icy with the drip when it's hit top. Brit top, yeah, I caught a body with a headshot. Guess not, I'm a chili pepper, bitch, I'm red hot. Rider, bust you, you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a Perkin, bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement. Pass me the stainless, I'm mask off, faceless. Rider, bust you, you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a Perkin, bitch, I'm feeling like
If you didn't know as well, I'm going to sell your whip when you're there. We buy any car, innit? I tell you what though, I know Viking Views, we're a couple of G's, didn't we? Well, come on, G-Wagon things, has a nice cosy, rolls in front of it. There we go, look, Adam C, you should have kept your car blue, innit? You know what I'm saying?
Quattro in action, sir.
Yeah. Oh, SE Technic, that means we would have had sat-nav and leathers.
On the Cosy.
G20 cars, yeah, boy.
No doubt, he'll have his own video out today, but ours is the only video you need. True story.
Yeah, true that, man. But, there we go.
Here we are, beautiful Escort Cosworth. Let's have a look at this. A little bit different. He's got an extra little add-on on the back spoiler.
Yeah.
Look at that. A little bit different, that is. Nice. Yo, what's happening, man? You not filming today?
I have been.
Oh, you have been, have you?
I have been, yeah.
There we are. Well, we say hello.
Right, happy days.
But realistically, ignore him. This is the only video you need. Here we are. I've just been informed that this white Cosworth is whiter than the other white Cosworth we saw, because this one is diamond white.
No, this is frozen white.
No, this is frozen white, and the other one is diamond white. But that is the whitest Cosworth you'll see here today, Sapnet.